Youngblood has a new product! Youngblood just came out with their new hydrating liquid lip creams. This liquid lipstick dries matte, which is crazy because it feels so hydrating. My lips don't feel dry at all. This formula is non-drying, it's pigment packed, it's so lightweight on the lips, it's infused with shea butter and jojoba seed oil, which act to nourish and hydrate the lips as you're wearing it. It dries to a lightweight, comfortable, soft matte finish. The pigment is incredible.